Hey guys, now we are going to start question number 18. Let's just see what the question states. Let k be an integer such that the triangle with vertices k, minus 3k, 5, k and minus k, 2 has an area of 28 square units. Then the orthocenter of this triangle is located at what point? So let's just start with computing the area and the things which are given to us. So we can straight away apply the formula of area for triangle, that is half, area equal to half of determinant, which is already given to us as 28 square units, and we will have to simply open the determinant, and after performing some transformations on the determinant and sending this to onto the right hand side, we simply get to this step. And now we, after simply multiplying, we have to simply open this determinant, and once the mod will open on the right hand side, we will get both plus minus values, and due to which we are having two equations, but only one equation would be correct. And we would be taking only one equation. Now we have taken the equation 5k square plus 13k minus 46 equal to 0, and it is a simple quadratic equation. We can solve it, and once we are solving it, the value of kr is coming to be minus 13 plus minus under root of 169 plus 920 upon 10, and after further solving, the value of k is coming out to be 2 and minus 4.6. We'll simply reject the value minus 4.6, and so the value of k is 2. Now we have to find the equation of a and d, and that is simply x equal to 2, and the equation of b and e would be y minus 2 equal to 1 by 2, that is the slope, into x minus 5, and we will simply solve this equation. Y minus 2 equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 5. This 2 will be coming out to be here, to 2y minus 4 equal to x minus 5, and this would be x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. We will number it our equation number 2, and we have two equations and two unknowns, so we can simply put the value of x equal to 2 in this equation. That means we are going to get 2 minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. That means 2y equal to 1, and that implies y equal to simply 1 by 2. Now and also from equation of AD, x was already 2, so we got the coordinates, and simply our answer would be, the orthocenter would be 2 comma 1 by 2. This is our answer.